Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Binance account on PC. So if you also want to create Binance account on PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in binance.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Binance. In order to create Binance account, all you have to do is enter your email or phone number over here and simply click on the option sign up. Or you can also click on the sign up option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. Here you'll have to enter your email or phone number. If you're entering your phone number, make sure to enter it without the country code. Now all you have to do is click on the next option that you can see right over here. Or you can also continue with Google or continue with Apple. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. A verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open your Gmail. Simply go to New tab. Click on the search bar and type in www.gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, Binance has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the activation code over here. All you have to do is memorize this code. Go back to the Binance tab. Now enter the code. Now you'll have to create a password. Click on this box. Now create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 to 128 characters, at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. Now after that, click on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, your account is created. You can also proceed to verification process if you want. So that is how you create Binance account on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.